What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to one of how to smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 11. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to power off or power down the iPhone 11. So if you guys find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you know somebody who's looking for this information, please do share it with them. So with one of the things that have kind of changed over the last few generations is the way to power off your iPhone. With the button on the right side, which used to be the power, it'll still lock your screen, but if you're trying to power off your device, press and you do the press and long hold, it brings up the Siri screen. So as you guys can see, it doesn't do it from there. Let's just go into the device and try it again just by hitting the power button. Once again, it takes us over to Siri. So the way to power off the device is just by pressing the power and the like a volume down button. Press and do more of a long hold. We have the emergency SOS or just power off. And from right here, we can go ahead and slide and power off. You can also power it off by going into settings in general, and then all the way at the very bottom, there will be a power off option. This is just the shortest and the easiest. So that's how to power off your iPhone 11. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And once again, if you guys know somebody looking for this information, please do share it with them. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.